because there's very little subcutaneous tissue, I'm basically scraping the dermis. All right, are you okay?
Yes.
Right, you're going to feel a little bit of a sting as the product moves through, and I'm just doing a retrograde linear thread. Well done. How was that?
No pain, no gain.
I can feel it different.
You can feel it, exactly. Patient and injector, you're right. Good.